Well, hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm revisiting a reel that I did a reel cleaning video on my channel Northeast Kentucky Outdoors a couple weeks ago. The reason that I'm revisiting this reel is because upon cleaning my other reels, I guess where I was trying to make a video the last time, I guess I got in a hurry and it just completely slipped my mind, but there is actually another bearing that you probably need to clean. I'm going to show you today where that's at. On this cranking handle shaft, right here, behind this plastic gear sits a little bearing. You've got two Phillips head screws. You got one right here. Hopefully you can see this. There's one here and there's one there. I've already pre-loosened them. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Let me find my Phillips head. Okay, I'm going to take these out and show you where this bearing sits. On these Revos, it's got a snap ring holding the bearing onto the back of the shaft. On a lot of my Lew's, that bearing just sits freely inside of the little cavity of the plastic housing. But you just pull it out. Right here is the bearing. It's sitting on that shaft. It's got a snap ring holding it in place that I'll have to remove. I'll just pull that bearing off and I will give it a good cleaning and maybe some gasoline or something like that. And then I'll oil it up and put it back on there and snap this reel back together and it'll be good to go. There are other bearings that you can clean besides the ones that I have mentioned already. Some of them will be located in your actual turning handle in the knobs. There's bearings that sit inside there on both of them. Usually I just keep them rinsed off and you can oil them. I don't feel like it's that important unless it just gets really irritating. You can take them apart and oil them up good. However, this may not even be of high importance because I've went sometimes several years without cleaning them. But it's good to keep them oiled up, keep them operating smoothly. And I have failed to mention it in the last video, and I'm sorry about that, but I wanted to revisit this topic today and show you that.